I'm going to show you a completely different way to generate scrapers using a Claude Code plugin from ScrapeOps in a way that it's much easier to generate scraper. I'm Lucas and let's jump in. So this is the page that this plugin is going to help us building a scraper to get all these informations. And I'm going to show you a final result so you can have an idea of what's going to happen. Once it's finished, we have these files here. So this is the scraper file using Python in this case, but you can choose whatever language you want. And it also creates a README file that contains every step that the user should follow to execute properly the parser. And then when the user uses this command, replacing the actual URL of the product, it will generate this JSON-L file. But since it's hard to see, I will copy it and paste it in this website that will indent everything here. So you can see that there's all the information here. So for example, the price and pre-discount price, they are all matching with the information that we have in this website. So now I'm going to show you how to build this using this plugin from ScrapeOps. First, we need to install the plugin that is responsible to do everything that I just showed you. And it's from ScrapeOps, and it's a great plugin. And the link of this is going to be in the video description. The first step is to do a git clone of this repository. So I'm going to copy that. And I have already here a folder that I created plugin. So I will do a git clone inside of this folder. Okay. So now the second step is to use this command, which will install everything of this plugin. So now it installed everything here from this plugin. I will open Claude and I will do the setup thing. So I need to use this command /ScrapeOps setup. Now it's going to ask you for your ScrapeOps API key. And to get this, it's very easy. You just need to go to this website, ScrapeOps.io, click on sign up, and then you do the registration. But since I already have my registration, I will just log in. You can copy your API key, paste it here, and it's done. So now it's everything set up. Okay, so I'm going to start a new project and I'm going to create a new session and I will type something like build an eBay scraper. It's going to ask you for the language. I'm going to choose Python, but you can choose whatever language you want. And if it's not in this list, just click on other. Then you choose the library and I'm going to use BeautifulSoup. And then it's going to ask you to provide URLs as an example. So I'm going to copy it and paste it here in the chat. Then you just need to confirm if everything here is right. And if it is, just click yes, generated. Okay, so now it's going to start the whole thing. It might take some minutes, so I'll come back when it's done. Okay, so now it's done. And it created all the files that I was expecting. It created this README file that are going to follow the steps now. And it also created the scraper. I'm going to follow the step here. And I'm going to use this command. And this command so I can activate. I'm also going to export the API key. And now everything that I need to do is to use this command here to do the scraping. And I just need to replace this string here with the actual URL that I want to get the data. So I will try this one, type enter, and it's going to use a ScrapeOps proxy to get the information. Okay, so it finished. And it generated this file here. And if I click it, I have everything here, okay? And if I copy it, and I open that website that I can ident it, and then you see that you have everything here. The pre-discount price and the price, they're all matching, okay? And we have everything here. So with this plugin now, it's much easier to create Scraper using the power of your Claude Code and also the power of plugin that actually everything is going to be generated in a ScrapeOps server. So you don't need to worry about anything because you only ask what you want and you're going to receive the Scraper ready to use. So that's just awesome. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you're not subscribed yet, subscribe it now, and I'll see you in the next video.